Hi, welcome to Miss Carrie's Chinese class. This is Miss Carrie. 你好. So welcome to my Chinese class. I'm a Chinese teacher. Now we have learned a lot of different things last time, but today our new topic is the days of the week. Days of the week. 星期 in Chinese means the days of the week. It's easier than English, right? So 说星期星期星期 that's the days of the week. So it's easy to remember. Now, first I want to share with you our video. Then you can easily learn from this, the days of week. In order to be quick, it's very easy for Chinese if you know how to count 1 to 5, and then you just need to add 星期. It becomes the days of the week. Like Monday will be 星期一. If you can count 1 in Chinese, 一. Then Tuesday is 星期二. If you know how to count 二 in Chinese. Then Wednesday is 星期三. If you know how to count 一二三, 这是星期三. And then Thursday is 星期四. Again, is a kind of number 4 in Chinese. And Friday will be number 5, will be 星期五. If you know how to count 一二三四五, then you know it is Monday to Friday. So now let's learn with this video, and then you will learn. You will know better. Okay. Now watch Miss Carrie's screen. We are going to learn the days of the week. All right. Now you're gonna hear about 今天星期几. That means what day is today. Okay. 今天星期几?
今天星期几？今天星期几？星期一，星期一，今天星期一。
星期一 is Monday.
今天星期几？今天星期几？星期三，星期三，今天星期三。
So 星期三 is Wednesday.
今天星期几？今天星期几？星期五，星期五，今天星期五。
其实星期五 Miss Carrie mentioned about it will be number 5, and that is Friday. Now we're gonna listen to the last one that you will be familiar with the days of the week, because the melody is similar to English. If you know how to sing Sunday, Monday, then you will be able to learn the Chinese as well. Ready, go. You can sing along. Remember 星期
星期一呀，星期二呀，星期三呀，星期四，星期五呀，星期六呀，星期天呀，星期天，星期一呀，星期二呀，星期三呀，星期四，星期五呀，星期六呀，星期天呀，星期天。
So here you also learn about Saturday and Sunday. So look at my chart here. Sunday is 星期天. So this is different from the numbers. So 星期天 is Sunday. You can repeat after me. 星期天. And then Monday again is like a number 1. So you say 星期一. One more time, 星期一. Very good. Now Tuesday is like number 2 in Chinese, so we say 星期二. 星期二. Very good. Now Wednesday is like a number 3 in Chinese, so we said 星期三. 星期三. And then Thursday, again follow the number. we do number 4. So we say 星期四,星期四. And then Friday is the number 5. So you say 星期五,星期五. And then Saturday is different. That is no trick. You have to learn these new words called 星期六. So 六. Oh, actually, 六 is also the number. 星期六 is a Saturday. So you can also learn from the numbers. Only the 星期天, Sunday, you cannot use the numbers to replace. Now let's follow one more time, and then we can review.
星期一呀，星期二呀，星期一呀，星期二呀，星期三呀，星期四，星期五呀，星期六呀，星期天呀，星期天。
So it's not too difficult, right? If you know the Chinese number, it's gonna be easy for you to do the Chinese week, the days of the week. Okay, let's have a quick review before we go. So now let's start with the Monday. So how do you say Monday in Chinese? 星期一. If you say 星期一, you are right. Okay, now how do you say Tuesday in Chinese? 星期二. If you say 星期二, you are right. Now how to say Wednesday in Chinese? 星期三. Yes, that's very good. Now how to say Thursday in Chinese? 星期四. Very good, very easy, right? Now how do you say Friday in Chinese? 星期五. Now, how do you say Saturday in Chinese? 星期六. So if you know the numbers 1 to 6, you know the days of week until Saturday. Now, so how do you say Sunday again in Chinese? It's different. It's called 星期天. 天. 星期天 is a Sunday in Chinese. So I hope that you learn well today, and it's easy to learn the days of the week. Again, the days of the week in Chinese is 星期. So let's say it 3 times. 星期,星期,星期,星期,星期,星期. All right. I hope that you enjoy the Chinese class with Miss Carrie, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next time with a new topic. Okay. So how do you say goodbye in Chinese? 再见,再见,再见.